Hello everyone. In this lecture of the Essential Calculus problem series, we will solve two different limit problems. First one is limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x squared minus x. And the second one, limit as x approaches to 1, 1 over x squared minus x. And before solving this problem, I want to show you a few basic facts that we will use during the solution. Firstly, 0 plus. 0 plus means numbers that are very close to 0 but still positive. Think that 0 is here and 0 plus are numbers here that are close to 0 but still positive. And 0 minus means the numbers that are again very close to 0. Here we have 0 and 0 minus are the numbers that are very close to 0 but negative. And 1 plus means values that are close to 1 but slightly greater than 1. 1 plus is, here we have 0, we have here 1, and 1 plus are the numbers slightly greater than 1. 1 plus. And 1 minus means values that are very close to 1 but slightly less than 1. These are the numbers 1 minus. And from the right means greater than the point, from the left means less than the point. If we divide a positive number by 0 plus, this will be equal to plus infinity. And if we divide a positive number by 0 minus, this means this will be equal to minus infinity. Now, let's come to the problem. Our problem was the first one, limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x squared minus x. X squared minus x. We can write this one as limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x times x minus 1. Since we are looking for as x approaches 0 to the limit, we will substitute 0 here. But if we substitute here 0, we can get 1 over 0 times 0 minus 1 equals to 1 over 0. This means that the denominator is 0. So we can't use direct substitution here. Now, since we can't use direct substitution here, we will use one-sided limit laws here. Let's limit as x goes to 0 from the right hand side 1 over x times x minus 1, and this will be as x goes to 0 from the right hand side, this will be 1 over 0 plus times 0 plus minus 1. We can say that 0 plus minus 1 is 0 minus 1, and this will be minus 1. If we 1, this will be equal to 1 over 0 plus times minus 1. And this, since we divide 1 here by 0 plus, this is plus infinity. But we have a minus sign here, then this will be minus infinity. Now, for the left hand side, limit as x goes to 0 from the right left hand side, 1 over x times x minus 1 will be equal to 1 over 0 minus times 0 minus minus 1. Here the minus sign is not important. 0 minus 1 is equal to minus 1. Now, we here divide 1 by 0 minus. If we divide a positive number by 0 minus, this will be minus infinity. What we have here, again a minus 1, then this tends to plus infinity. Now, since one-sided limits are different here, we can say that limit does not exist. Limit as x goes to 0, 1 over x does not exist. Now for the second part, limit as x goes to 1, 1 over x squared minus x. We can write it again. Limit as x goes to 1, 1 over x times x minus 1. Now, if we substitute here again 1, this will be equal to 1 over 1 times 1 over 1, and this will be 1 over 0. Since the denominator here again 0, we cannot use direct substitution. So we should find limit using the one-sided limit rules. Okay, now the limit as x approaches 1 from the right hand side, 1 over x times x minus 1 is equal to 1 over 1 plus times 1 plus minus 1. 1 plus minus 1 here is equal to 0 plus. Now, this will be equal to 1 over 0 plus, and since we divide a positive number by 0 plus, this will be equal to plus infinity. And for the left hand side, limit as x goes to 1 from the left hand side, 1 over x times x minus 1. Again, we use 1 minus minus 1. Now, if we subtract 1 from the 1 minus here, we will get 0 minus. Then this will be equal to 1 over 1 minus 1, 0 minus. 1 minus here is a positive number. It is close to 1, and so this is a positive number. Now, if we divide a positive number 1 here by 0 minus, this will be minus infinity. Again, here we have plus infinity for the right hand limit and minus infinity for the left hand limit. Then, since the one-sided limits are not equal, we can say that this function, this limit, does not exist. Does not exist. Okay. And in the next problem, I will solve this one. Limit as x goes to 3, x minus 3 over x squared minus 9. See you in the next problem.